All right, what are we here for?
Yes, Your Honor. Originally, we did hear before on a motion to allow him to go to church on Wednesdays and Sundays. The prosecution said they wanted to talk to the complainant, make sure she didn't go to the or.
Did you all talk to the complainant?
We have attempted to make contact. She did not answer our calls. So we have, at this point, no further objection to this motion. We would only ask, because I believe he is being monitored by pretrial services, that he provide the exact address of the church that he's going to be at and the exact times on Wednesdays and Sundays that he will be at that church.
We can do
And then just, further keep up.
Already, we are watching a classic courtroom dance. Defense wants religious freedom. Prosecution wants verification. And the judge, she's just trying to keep this Sunday morning from turning into legal spaghetti. But wait, why cannot the guy just name his church? That hesitation is raising eyebrows.
Up with whatever pretrial services is having him do as well.
So he doesn't have an end date on this. I mean, an end time for the services. He says at 10 a.m. So can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that? Well, let me call the case. Court is calling NIGHTMAG number 701641, State versus Paul Marceau. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Jason Goss for Mr. Marceau.
And are you Mr. Marceau? Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, so your counsel has filed this motion requesting that bond conditions be amended to allow you to attend church services. All right, so on Sundays, what is the church service time?
Honestly, I would have to check their website to know. I would assume it's between like 11 and 1, 11 a.m.
All right, any objection to the court Googling the time?
No objection, but I would think that if he wants to go to this.
Did you catch that? The judge just asked if she can Google church times. That's your first clue. She's done this before. It might seem casual, but legally, she's ensuring transparency, no assumptions, no loopholes, and definitely no mystery masses.
Church, he should know the times specifically, unless he's never been to this church before.
All right, any objection to the court Googling the
No
time?
objection.
Any objection?
No.
All right, on Sunday, mass schedule, 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m. is Spanish, and 4 p.m. I'm not Catholic, I'm Baptist, so I don't know these things, right? So I'm assuming since you have mass schedule at 8 a.m., that it's over by 10.
I can say that as a Catholic and as an officer of this court,
Yes.
they are 1 hour services. So depending on which service he wants to attend, it's 8 to 9, 10 to 11, noon to 1, 2 to 3. So I guess maybe a little bit of a window ahead to give him time to get there, and a little bit of window after to give him time to get home. But otherwise, I don't think he needs to be there from 8 to 4 or whatever.
Here's where things get real. The judge isn't just rubber stamping this motion. She's calculating Windows entry, exit, drive time. Why? Because when you are on pretrial release, every minute you're unaccounted for can turn into a probation violation nightmare.
Accept this allegation. It's been pending for 2 years now.
All right, so I'm not even addressing the allegation. I'm just doing the
I understand. It's just-
amend for bond. So
Yes, sir.
the state has agreed that he can go to church. So I'm just trying to figure out the times. I'm not here to get into the facts of this case unless people want to call witnesses.
No.
All right. So you have down on your form that you want to go Sundays at 10. So what I'm telling you, the hours are 8 a.m. Do you want to go to the 8 a.m. service, the 10 a.m. service, the 12 p.m. service, the 2 p.m. service, or the 4 p.m. service? And the 2 p.m. service, they say that's in Spanish.
I would like to attend the 10 a.m. service on Sundays with the ability to, go there on Sundays at 10 a.m.
All right, so that's 10 a.m. And you're telling me as an officer of the court, you're Catholic and these last for an hour.
Yes, Your Honor.
So it will be 9.
I also attend Catholic Mass, and ours last an hour and a half, depending on the Mass. So they can run over an hour, and that happens.
Now this is courtroom comedy gold. Catholic versus Baptist mastorations. One says it's an hour, the other jokes it lasts all day. But beneath the laughter, the judge is smartly negotiating a reasonable time frame. This is precision wrapped in humor.
It's free for me. I go with my wife and my children.
Well, I'm a Baptist, and what I can tell you is church services start at 10, and it's not over till 8 p.m. It just depends on when you want to leave.
I guess to be fair, we can give him probably a window from 9 a.m. to about noonish to get home in time. I think that should be fair time for him to get to mass, attend mass, and get home.
All right. So on Sundays, it's 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then on Wednesdays, they have Monday through Friday. They say Wednesday is bilingual. And it's
Wednesdays, I was planning on just going to chapel, just a prayer. You know.
I'm not going to allow that.
Okay.
So, I mean, we'll start with we'll start with Sundays, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And if everything goes well with that, then usually I give people more extra leeway for things. And who knows, ultimately, are you on GPS?
Yes, ma'am.
Ultimately, it may just end up being tracking only, but I don't immediately go to tracking with people. It starts with you're given different times to do different things. And then if all goes well, then the court will slowly ease up. Then finally it'll be the tracking only and it may be removal.
Yes, thank you.
Now, here's the thing. The state is saying that they haven't had contact with the complainant to address this motion.
Huge legal warning. Here, if the complainant shows up at the same church service, he must leave immediately. This is not just courtesy. It's a protective condition that prevents possible intimidation or conflict. The judge is setting a legal tripwire, and he's been warned.
Complainant happens to be at that service, you need to leave the service, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then you can come back and let the court know, hey, the complainant is at that service. Can I go to a different church or something? You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So state you're in agreement. Sunday's church, and he's listed the location in the motion from 9 to 12 p.m. on Sundays.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that means that you can leave your house at 9 a.m. and you need to be back at your house on 12 p.m. on a Sunday. Do you understand? Is there anything else?
Nothing from the state.
All right. And then you all are back here. Let me pull it up. I think it's, yes, July 7th. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, do we need to fill out any other?
No, he's already filled.
So what just happened? A man on pretrial release got his Sunday pass with limits. The judge gave him room to breathe. But make no mistake, every minute out of bounds will be watched. Next court date, July 7th. Let's see if Sunday freedom turns into Monday regret.
Filled out the July 7th one.
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
And we can excuse.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome.